So let's break down this Terraform script for building a web server. It's actually way simpler than it looks.
Okay, so don't just see lines of code here. Think of this as a complete blueprint for a digital house.
First things first, every blueprint needs a solid foundation, right? So we set up our tools and location. This just makes sure everyone's using the same tools and building in the exact same spot. Simple.
All right, foundation's done. Now let's lay the groundwork. The land, the rooms, and the doors to the outside.
First step, we need some land. That's our VPC, a private, isolated slice of the AWS cloud.
Yep, think of it just like your own private plot of land in the huge AWS world.
Now, on that plot of land, we gotta pick a spot for the house itself. That's our subnet. And you can think of this subnet as the actual room where our server is gonna live.
Okay, but a room with no door is kind of useless, right? We need an internet gateway for that.
This is literally the front door and driveway. Without it, your server's totally cut off from the world. So how does anyone find the front door? Well, that's where the route table comes in. It's basically a GPS that tells all outgoing traffic, hey, use that internet gateway. And boom, those four things give us a clear path from our server straight to the internet.
Great, the house is connected, but it's not secure. We need a firewall or an AWS security group.
This thing is like a bouncer for your server, controlling exactly what gets in and out.
So we can set rules for incoming traffic, like letting you log in, and for outgoing traffic. Okay, the house is built, it's secure, now for the main event, putting the server inside.
And this AWS instance resource, that's the code that actually builds our virtual computer inside the subnet. And here are the key specs: what OS it runs, how powerful it is, and its public street address.
And just like that, you have a full blueprint for a secure web server. So, what will you build?